Hello everyone and welcome to the Blue Baby Academy. I'm your lecturer, the Blue Baby, but you can just call me BB. In today's lecture, we'll be talking about one of the greatest gastronomic inventions of all time, the sandwich. For me, one of life's greatest pleasures is tucking into a freshly made sandwich. Up until recently, I had never really questioned who actually dreamt up the idea of placing a desired filling between two slices of wholesome bread. Turns out, the answer is quite intriguing. The basic idea of encasing some sort of nutritional package inside of bread has been conceptualized and practiced throughout many cultures in history, with most early examples taking the forms of wraps and scoop-like entities. This notion has been in existence since as early as the 1st century, with the infamous rabbi Hillel the Elder being rumored to have wrapped meat from the paschal lamb mixed with bitter herbs in a soft matzah. What's a matzah? Nothing. What's a matzah with you? Duh, I get it. Oh, yeah. Anyway, the sandwich wasn't actually invented until 1762 by John Montagu, the 4th Earl of Sandwich. Legend says that Montagu had a somewhat noticeable gambling problem, and he would consequently spend many hours of the day at the end of a card table. During these long sustained periods of self-indulgence, Montagu would understandably get peckish from time to time, so he would ask the house cook to prepare him a slice of cooked meat placed between two slices of bread. What made the sandwich so elegantly optimal for Montagu's situation was the fact that it enabled him to lightly feed himself without having to leave the table. In one hand he would hold his cards, and in the other he brandished the sandwich, bestowing upon him the gift of sustenance with a great taste to boot. Over time, other frequent visitors of the house and social circles in relation to these visitors would pick up on Montagu's cuisine-based habits. With intrigue, they would request the same meal as sandwich, which got shortened to the name that we all know and love today. Although it seems like Montagu was a genius for coming up with the sandwich, it is theorized that Montagu first obtained the idea for such a dish upon one of his frequent visits to the Mediterranean, where Turkish and Greek meze platters were served. These contained a series of dips, cheeses, and meats, all being served up, placed on top of, or sandwiched between slices of bread. Today, the sandwich has become a common staple in simple Western cuisine, mainly thanks to its practicality and openness as a meal. Whether it be ham and cheese, jam, egg, melted crayon wax, or even a conglomerate of the listed examples beforehand, if it fits between two slices of bread, then it's a worthy sandwich filling. Many variations of the bread used for sandwiches have also taken unique forms throughout history. Baps, bagels, baguettes, pitas, subs, focaccias, ciabattas, falafels, croissants, and even the elusive English muffin are all examples. Yet lo and behold, they all serve the same purpose, to act as the casing for this truly delectable dish. Overall, the sandwich is a magnificent invention within the culinary world, and I for one couldn't imagine life without it. Here's to John Montagu, the 4th Earl of Sandwich. I tip my mortarboard to you in respect, as I also do to all of my viewers. This concludes today's lecture. Thank you for watching, and remember, the color blue never represents negativity on this channel.